Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make these spiral earrings. This is Manori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. I'm starting with a magic ring around the finger. I'm making a chain and one single crochet, one half double crochet and 2 double crochet. Now I'm adding another yarn with a different color and holding it like this, and I'm making one chain, one single crochet, one half double crochet, 2 double crochet, pulling the orange yarn and tightening the ring. As you can see, there are 4 stitches here. In each of these stitches, I'm making 2 double crochet stitches. And overall we have 8 double crochet stitches. Now with the green yarn, in each stitch I'm making 2 double crochet. We had 12 stitches and now we have 24 double crochet stitches. Now with the orange yarn, in each stitch I'm making 2 double crochet, There are 8 stitches, and now we are having 16 double crochet stitches. That's it. In just a few minutes, we're gonna have these beautiful spiral earrings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.